Hello guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Free Fire game stock loading problem. If you have facing this problem on your Android or iPhone device, so you have need watch this video and solve your problems and smooth play on your games on your mobile Android or iPhone. So firstly go back your home screen. Here you guys, after then go back to your home screen, tap on your mobile settings and check your internet connection. If your internet connection is not properly work, so connect your Wi-Fi connection and play your games. If you have still facing this problem, so secondly option, go on your app management. If you have using iPhone, so go on your iPhone storage and search it Free Fire game, enter into the Free Fire and offload your Free Fire application. If you have using Android, so just enter into the app management and then tap on app list and search it Free Fire game. Here you see Free Fire game and enter into the Free Fire game and click on storage usage and clear cache. You see after then clear cache, here you see data usage details, so just enter into the data usage detail and enable the background data and disable mobile data if you have connect Wi-Fi. So back and click on permissions and allow the all permissions. After that back and go back home screen. And important thing, go on your app store or play store app, tap on search bar and search it Free Fire game and check it your Free Fire game is updated or not updated. If your Free Fire game is not updated, so firstly update your Free Fire game and play your game easily. Your problem has been 100% solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching for my video.